GoDaddy Email Marketing Honest Review. GoDaddy Email Marketing is a straightforward, user-friendly platform designed for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals looking to create professional email campaigns without a steep learning curve. Its standout features include an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, customizable templates, and seamless integration with GoDaddy's website builder and domain services, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for those already using GoDaddy for hosting or domains. The platform simplifies audience management with tools to import contacts, segment lists, and track engagement metrics like open rates and click-throughs, providing essential insights for improving campaign performance. Additionally, it includes automation capabilities for tasks like welcome emails or drip campaigns, which are helpful for nurturing leads or keeping customers engaged without manual intervention. However, it's worth noting that GoDaddy email marketing may feel limited for businesses with more complex needs. Advanced features like A/B testing, intricate workflow automations, or deep analytics are either unavailable or not as robust as competitors like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. The pricing structure is straightforward, but slightly on the higher side considering the feature set, especially for users managing large email lists. On the bright side, there's no steep learning curve, perfect for beginners or those who want a simple solution without a lengthy setup process. So, who is this for? GoDaddy Email Marketing is ideal for small to medium businesses, freelancers, and nonprofits that value simplicity and already rely on GoDaddy for other services. It's not geared towards enterprise-level marketers or those who require in-depth customization or advanced analytics. The platform's ease of use, paired with solid customer support, makes it a reliable option for users who prioritize efficiency over feature depth. In conclusion, GoDaddy Email Marketing delivers a streamlined experience for users seeking quick and simple email marketing. While it lacks advanced features found in more sophisticated tools, its integrations, ease of use, and time-saving templates make it a great choice for beginners and small businesses looking to create impactful email campaigns without getting bogged down by complexity. If you're in need of a no-fuss email marketing solution to complement your existing GoDaddy services, it's definitely worth considering. But if advanced functionality is crucial for your marketing strategy, you might find better value elsewhere.